Today's live is dedicated to everybody that has a WordPress website or want to have one. And the question is, do I need to have a custom theme made for my business? My answer is no. And there are quite a few reasons why. Yes, it gives you full flexibility and full customization abilities from the website agency, design agency that will actually take over the project. But after a discussion I had last Wednesday with a couple of people from my cohort about their WordPress website, they're tied up to the people that actually did the theme for them, and the customization is not great, and now they have a problem because they want to move away and they don't know how. Unless you are a huge company that you want to control everything, you only need one website builder like Elementor or like Divi, plug it in as a theme inside your WordPress, and then start designing everything you need there. Now, if you cannot design because these tools are still complicated, they are certainly less expensive, like by miles less expensive than hiring an agency, and you can deliver the same design results, if not better, and with wider long-term customization from you, the business owner, rather than going to a custom theme for you. I honestly do not understand why businesses that are not huge, and there is a big reason why they would need a very, very custom to them theme. They don't use third-party tools to do the same job, very cost effectively and very time efficiently too. Thank you very much for listening, and have a nice evening. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.